The most beautiful sound in the world. I believe there is no real answer to this question because there are so many beautiful sounds. Someone's voice singing, many people's voices singing in harmony together, instruments and babies laughing, people laughing, the ocean, birds chirping. It all depends on what you hear and what moment you hear it in, whether it is the most beautiful sound in the world. But to me, one of the most beautiful sounds in the world is the sound that comes from wind instruments, flutes, pan, pipes. So beautiful. If you took that sound and mixed it with the laughter of children, the lapping of the ocean, the wind through the trees as it rustles the leaves, a three-part harmony, a Celtic jingle, I think it would be the most beautiful sound in the world.